Yeah, welcome to the mathematics class once again. We shall continue with the current subtopic, which is based on the use of our trigonometric table. And this aspect is a bit different from the one we earlier did. So the one we did earlier, we'll be given certain angle and we have to find its equivalent from the table. But this time around, a given numbers will be given, a number which is not an angle, and we are to use such a number to determine the angle. So that is what this one talks about. So we start with the example. So in the example, we are told that from the table of sine above, find the angles whose signs are this. So remember, the sign above here means that specific table I was using the other time. So let us make reference to that table and look for that point where we have 0.0576. From the table, when you look within critically, where do you have 0.0576? So we have to check it one by one. 0.0576, yes, it is here. This is the place where I have 0.0576. What we are now going to do from here is we trace it into this place first, and okay, we trace it direct like this. We trace it horizontally. Remember, the value given to us is 0.0576. The first job we are going to do is we have to detect within the table where is the value of 0.0576. So once that value is detected, the next thing we do is we trace it backward. We trace it horizontally rather till we get a number under x. Having gotten that number, so we now say the angle is 3. Then 3 under what? It is under 0.3. So our angle here is going to be 3.3 degree. Now let's check the next question. In number 2, we are given 0.9816. What angle has value of 0.9816? So we also look through it. We need a place where we have 0.9816. So you look at it critically, gently. You don't have to rush yourself. Okay, this is the place where I have 0.9816. And what we do when we have detected the area where the number is we trace it back to the number under x. The number is 79. So therefore we say our angle here is 79. Under what do we have this number? It is under 0. So our angle is 79.0 degree. Or you can call it 79 degree. Since the value of 79.0 degree and 79 degree is the same thing. Let's also talk about the next one, which is number 3. In number 3, we have 0.0035. We have to find the angle that has this value of 0.0035. So let's go back into our table. 0.0035 is what we need. So have we gotten there? Okay, yes. This is the number here, 0.0035. Remember, to be able to detect or to find the angle, the first thing is to know the area where the number is. So having gotten the area where the number is, we now trace it horizontally under x. Under x. So okay, have we gotten to under x? No. Okay, this is it. It is 0. And that is going to be 0 under 2. And our answer here is going to be 0.2 degree. 0.2 degree. In number 4, we are asked to find the angle whose value is 0.9986. To do that, we also make reference into our table, and this is where I have my 0.9986. From this place, we trace it back horizontally into under our x, and the number we can see there is 87 degree, and that is going to be 87 degree. And under what number do we have this 0.9986? It is under 0, so our result is going to be 87.0 degree, or what we can call 87 degree. And in the last question, what we have there is 0.0541. 0.0541. So where do we have that? My 0.0541 is here. So the first thing we do now is we trace it back under x, and that is 3. Then under what do we have that number? Under 1. So our answer there is going to be 3.1 degree. 3.1 degree. That is 3.1 degree. So the solution, so the first one 3.3 degree, second one 79.0 degree or 79 degree, third one is 0.2 degree, number 4 is 7.0 degree or 7 degree, and number 5 there is 3.1 degree. And right after this, you're also going to take the classwork as well as the assignment, and with that is where we are going to call it a day in this class, and we shall meet in the next class by God's grace. Thanks for watching.